In this short video, we'll have a look at the features and advantages of the Premmerce WooCommerce Filter plugin that is available both in its free and premium versions. This plugin, just with the help of one widget, displays all parameters available for filtering in the menu category that a user is browsing at the moment. For example, we go to the Shoes menu category and see the selection of all parameters that you can choose your shoes for. In addition, this filter provides us with the possibility of filtering search results. For instance, we are entering the key bag in the search field. Then we see all the search results available, and in the sidebar we see a filter for a range of parameters available for this search query. On condition you use Premmerce WooCommerce Brands plugin, your filter will enable product filtering by brands. So, if you have the Premmerce WooCommerce Brands plugin installed in your store, the filter would be displayed on a separate brand page. The filtering process is carried out the following way. We open the category page and see all filtering parameters available. In this particular case, we can filter products by price, brand, color, size, and season. Once we've set the filter and chose the needed parameters, we can see that only one product has been left. And actually, it meets the required criteria. There's also the Active Filters widget that shows which filters are active at the moment and which also enables deactivation of any filter if necessary. In the Premmerce WooCommerce Filter plugin, we particularly focused on the page load speed. We've done profound research and launched a store with 500,000 products. The Premmerce WooCommerce Filter delivered the best results in comparison to all other plugins existed on the market. For more details on this research, its methods and results, please go to our blog and read our blog post on this topic. In the premium version of the Premmerce WooCommerce Filter plugin, we'll be able to display filtering parameters like color or size with the help of labels. The major feature of the premium version of Premmerce WooCommerce Filter plugin is the option of creation the clean URL for the pages generated by the store search results. As you can see, our results of filtering by color is displayed the following way. You can see a separate landing page rather than just a set of parameters. Apart from that, all landing pages created by this method can be extended with some additional SEO parameters, such as a unique title, description, meta title, and meta description. All pages created this way are referred to the sitemap, and with the help of the Yoast SEO plugin, they are indexed more quickly by the search engines. This particular feature of the Premmerce WooCommerce Filter plugin contributes greatly to the store traffic increase and promotion of the low-volume keywords. A large number of the landing pages with unique titles and descriptions creates favorable conditions for rising search results ratings for the low-volume keywords like black shoes or shoes for a particular season or occasion or a particular brand. Such option is only available in the premium version of the Premmerce WooCommerce Filter plugin. Well, and here's how the plugin dashboard looks like. The first step we see is the Attributes tab, and here we can mark all the necessary attributes for the filtering pages. Plus, we can set up the attribute view here: color, checkbox, radio box, or select. All attribute settings are made on this page, and in case you add a new attribute, you must enable its display on this page and select its view. We move on. If you have the Premmerce WooCommerce Brands plugin installed, you'll also be able to mark all brands that would be displayed and shown in your search results. On the Settings tab, you can do the following things. You can hide all the terms that are empty after the search and filtering have been conducted. We can enable the price filter and select the pages where we'd like our filter to be displayed. For example, the filter can be shown on the product category page, tag page, brand page, or home page. Another option available only in the premium version is the Permalink management and the clean URL setup. In this field, we enter the attribute prefix, value separator, and if we use brands, we enter a brand prefix. Next, we move on to the SEO settings. We can enable the default SEO settings and thus set the masks for all the SEO parameters for all the filter results pages. So here you can see all the parameters available and you can compose the title, which will include these parameters and also the words that you'd like to have in the title and meta description. Additionally, to the general site parameters setup, you can add the SEO settings to any set of parameters of your store. For example, you choose a category, say shoes, select the color and its term, black, and for this term, you create your own SEO mask. It could sound like, you can buy best black shoes in our store at the best price. The same way you can set any parameters for the given set of parameters. After you've saved all changes, you'll be able to see all of them on your right, and you can sort them by categories and edit them as well. So here you can see the rule created with the chosen color, a CPU, and other parameters. We can either enable it or disable. In case we disable it, the general rules created previously in the SEO settings will be implied. And the last tab is the Cache tab. After we've made all the settings, it's important to clear the cache and then warm it up. Warming up your site's cache is very important for filter effectiveness, and it starts to work faster than before. So do it every time you change your store filter settings. Finally, there are two widgets available for the filter display. The first one is the actual filter that is displayed on the pages that we've selected in the settings previously. Plus, there's a widget for all active filters chosen by your store users. Using the Premmerce WooCommerce Filter plugin and just one widget, you can set a quite thorough product filtering in your store, conducted at a high page speed, and only minimal settings are needed. Your SEO results would also be improved considerably, and you'll be able to attract more customers to your store's products. Thanks for watching our video, and please sell more with Premmerce.